Okay, so what I did is pop the lid with one hand, like that. All you doing is holding it in the palm of your hand. You're flipping it open like that. Then you take it like that. Take your finger, scrunch it up, and hold it back. Then close it. So, and then close it. And then another one. Of course. Let me see if I can. Obviously, it's going to take more than one try if you're a little low on fuel. You want to make sure you get it flipped open like that. Not like that. Not like that. More like that. There. Let me show you again. Like that. Then you can hold it like that. And to close it, flip it, and then to close it, flip it around in your hand. There you go.